ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. wish you all the best.
And good morning students, and today I am going to explain electrochemical cells. What is electrochemical cell? Right ma? Electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cell example is galvanic cell, galvanic cell, galvanic cell. Here is galvanic cell example, Daniell cell, Daniell cell and voltaic cell. Voltaic cell. Voltaic cell. Here already electrochemistry I taught in first class. Electrochemistry is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with interconversion of electricity versus interaction within electricity versus chemical species. That is called electrochemistry. But electrochemistry used in batteries and fuel cells, in extraction of metals like sodium and chlorine. And these are the uses. From signals from brains to nerve cells based on electrochemical impulses. Again, it is broadly classified into, already we discussed a conductor, the substance which allow the pass of electron through it is called as conductor. Insulator means the substance which does not allow the pass of electron, that is called as insulator. And again, electrical conductors are divided into two types, metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. Example of metallic conductor, that is platinum wire or copper wire. And electrolytic conductor is NaCl. When passing electricity through the metallic wire, metallic conductors, there is no chemical reaction occur. If it is passing through the electrolytic conductor, it is some chemical reaction occur. In the first video I explained all those things. And coming to the what is electrolyte. Electrolyte is the substance in the form of aqueous state, molten state, fused state which conduct electricity is called as electrolyte. Electrolyte is the substance in the form of aqueous state, molten state and fused state which conduct electricity, that is called as electrolyte. What is electrolysis? What is electrolysis means? By passing some chemical reactions occurred at electrodes by passage of electricity through electrolytic solution, that is called electrolysis. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis means some chemical reactions occurred electrodes by passage of electricity through electrolytic solution during electrolysis, that is called as electrolysis. Again, we have discussed electrochemical cells are classified into electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. What is electrolytic cell? There is we can observe two interconversion. One is chemical energy is to electrical energy. Chemical energy converted to electrical energy and electrical energy converted to chemical energy. What is the device which converts chemical energy to electrical energy? That is called galvanic cell. Listen student, listen, very important. Chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Spontaneous redox reaction occurred at electrodes. Chemical energy converted to electrical energy, that is called electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. Next, we are using electricity. Electrical energy, the device which converts electrical energy converted to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic cell. In electrolytic cell in first video I explained, and today we can explain electrochemical cells are divided into already two types I already explained. This one is the electrolytic cell, electrolytic cell, and this one is the galvanic cell. This galvanic cell example is the Daniell cell. Example, write down Daniell cell. Here is electrolytic cell is the device which converts electrical energy converted to chemical energy. Here is Daniell cell or galvanic cell means chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Now we have to discuss simple discussion about electrolytic cell. Another one is the galvanic cell. Write the two half cells. Here is I am taking zinc electrode and copper electrode. It is connected to the battery. It is connecting to the battery. The electrolytic solution is NaCl. Now which one is the electrolyte, students? NaCl is the electrolyte. Here is a zinc electrode act as anode, copper electrode as cathode. This is negative electrode. Here is positive electrode. At anode what reaction takes place? Oxidation. At cathode what reaction? Reduction. Remember always. Here is I am taking galvanic cell. Here galvanic cell, 2 electrodes are I am taking. What are the electrodes? One is the zinc electrode, another one is the copper electrode. It is connecting to the voltmeter or potentiometer. Two half cells are connected to U-shaped tube, that is called salt bridge. This is called salt bridge. Salt bridge. Now here I am taking zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Next one, copper electrode dipped in copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. Two electrolytic, here is electrochemical cells are divided into two types, students. One is electrolytic cell, another one is the galvanic cell. In this, in electrolytic cell I am taking zinc is the anode, zinc electrode I am taking and copper electrode is taking. Here is a one vessel. Here 2 electrodes are in one vessel. Here is electrolytic solution is NaCl. And during electrolysis you are using battery, the passing electricity, battery, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y, battery we are using. In this electrolytic cell converted to electrical energy converted to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic cell. In this electrolytic cell 2 electrodes are taking. One is the zinc electrode, another one is the copper electrode. 2 electrodes are dipped in same electrolytic solution NaCl. By passing electricity during electrolysis, NaCl is dissociated into Na plus Cl minus. Na plus Cl minus. Here is this is the electrode reaction. Electrode means at anode what reaction takes place? Oxidation. At cathode what reaction takes place? Reduction. At anode means Cl minus V is raised to Cl minus of Cl2 plus electron. Here also sodium Na plus electron V is raised to Na. Here is what is the reaction at anode? Oxidation, Cl minus. Here is losing electron, oxidation. Here is gaining electron, reduction. This is about electrolytic cell. What is the electrolytic cell? The device which converts electrical energy converted to chemical energy. This cell is the non-spontaneous example, non-spontaneous, but galvanic cell is the spontaneous example. 2 half cells are present. This is the oxidation of cell. Oxidation of cell. And next one is this one is the reduction of cell. Reduction of cell. There is oxidation of cell, reduction of cell. Zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Copper electrode dipped in copper sulfate solution. Both half cells are connected to the U-shaped tube, that is called salt bridge. The salt bridge contains KCl, KNO3 and ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. Okay, now what is the use of salt bridge? By connecting the salt bridge, the circuit is completed which allows the electricity, which avoid the liquid junction potential, which maintain the electrical neutrality between both the half cells. These are the functions of salt bridge. Now zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution. These two electrodes are connected to the voltmeter. Why voltmeter? Potential difference can be observed. Which one is the more oxidation potential? Zinc having negative potential and copper having positive potential. But zinc act as anode and copper act as cathode. What is the difference observed in galvanic cell and electrolytic cell? In electrolytic cell, zinc is the anode, is the positive electrode. In electrochemical cell, zinc is the negative electrode. Remember that one. This is the non-spontaneous. This one is the spontaneous. What are the electrode reactions observed at galvanic cell? Here is what is the electrode reaction? Zinc converted to Zn plus 2 electrons. Here is copper plus 2 electrons, gives rise to copper. This is the anode reaction, this is the cathode reaction. At cathode reduction, all copper plus 2 are deposited on the surface of copper. All Zn is a dissolution. Dissolution means Zn plus 2. During electrolysis, during chemical reaction, the concentration of Zn plus 2 ions are increases. Copper plus 2 ions are decreases. This is example of spontaneous reaction. What is spontaneous? Delta G is equal to negative. Here delta G is equal to non-spontaneous. Here is electrolytic cell is delta G is equal to positive. This is the difference between galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. Here is zinc is the solid, Zn plus 2 aqueous. Here copper plus 2 aqueous. Copper is the solid. What is the overall reaction? We can write the overall reaction. Zn and copper plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus copper. This is solid, aqueous, and this is aqueous, and this is solid. This is the cell reactions we can differentiate. That is the cell reactions of galvanic cell and cell reaction of electrolytic cell. This is the main difference. Tell me students, what is the difference? The difference between electrolytic cell, the device which converts electrical energy to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic. And what is the galvanic cell? In galvanic cell, spontaneous redox reaction occurred at electrodes and electrical energy converted, chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Chemical energy converted to electrical energy, that is galvanic cell. And electrolytic cell, we are providing electricity. That's why electrical energy converted to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic cell, and this is the galvanic cell. This galvanic cell, what is the function? The galvanic cell is chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Here is electrical energy converted to chemical energy. This is the electrolytic cell, this is the galvanic cell. And keep watching my videos and subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.